I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering minimal prerequisites: feature list, acceptance criteria, and stakeholders. Open Excel and create a template sheet with ID, title, preconditions, steps, expected result, priority, owner, and status. Once done, set data validation for priority and status to avoid typos, and freeze the header row so you can always see column names. You do this because early structure prevents rework. Starting with a controlled template saves time when you expand the test suite. Now you write each test case row by row. Enter a concise title, then list preconditions and enumerate steps with numbering like 1, 2, 3. In one cell for readability, use wrap text and adjust row height. Make expected results specific and measurable, and attach priority and owner. Once done, apply filters on headers and freeze panes. This helps you sort and filter P0 tests quickly. Use VLOOKUP or index to pull requirement ID so traceability stays intact, and change impact. To finish, validate all entries, protect the template cells, and save a master copy in XLSX. You can export CSV slices for automation or upload to a test management tool. Execute a sample set and record actual result and status. Make sure to timestamp runs and note environment. If outcomes differ from expected, add comments with reproduction steps and use conditional formatting to highlight failed rows. This lets you quickly triage failures and communicate concrete fixes to developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.